So I wanted to give some quick practical hints in terms of how you hit this and how do you achieve this. And I think with the biggest Massachusetts specific thing, and I'm in Boston, I'm from the state. I hear this all the time, is that a lot of Massachusetts cultivators are in this $3,000 to $4,000 per pound wholesale bubble right now. It's very high, and almost all energy related investments, they don't look nearly as attractive when the price is really high. But then it becomes absolutely critical to be able to operate in a lower wholesale price environment. So I encourage everyone at the business planning stage, you know, and for the building planning, like let's pick a level of production, you know, take a guess at what you think the future price per pound would be, and you look no further than California, Oregon, Colorado, and mature markets to see what you should plan for. That will eventually probably come here too. Correctly sizing the HVAC system and not having it too small, that a lot of people understand those problems, but oversizing it causes a lot of inefficiency. The units turn on and off, and it may be very hard on their operation too and shorten their lifespan. In Massachusetts, we pretty much have to do LED cultivation because of the regulations. We'll talk about that. That's a great efficiency gain over HPS. Tier 3 and above, so that's 10,000 canopy square feet and further. I really encourage you to look at 4-pipe chilled water systems. They help efficiency because you can install a smaller system and share loads between rooms and put rooms on different schedules, so you don't need as big of a system. More on that later. Make sure you have gas available on your site if you haven't selected a site yet. It gives you a lot more energy efficient options for HVAC that's fired on natural gas instead of much more expensive electricity. And in general, from a horticulture process point of view, smaller plants and shorter growth cycles. So putting sort of closer to a sea of green approach as opposed to the plant count model. Massachusetts canopy state plant count doesn't matter. The plant count model from early legal states is that you want to grow the biggest plants you can. And to be most efficient in a canopy state, you're generally going to be growing smaller plants.